Whitening your teeth can be a costly process. In order to commit to a professional tooth whitening routine, you have to pay for routine visits to your dental office. If you want to do it from home, you may end up purchasing several kits. Both of these options use chemical bleaches of some kind, and both are far from natural options. If you want to avoid the chemicals and keep your cost budget friendly, you may want to go with some natural teeth whitening methods. Here are a few to consider. Baking soda. Baking soda is a natural option for many things around your home, from cleaning to even being used as a way to stop odor. You can use it in oral care routine by simply adding it to a natural toothpaste. Take 2 parts coconut oil, 1 part baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite flavored essential oil. Use this in place of your normal toothpaste. The oil helps cut down on the harsh abrasiveness of baking soda alone and helps to hydrate the gums. The baking soda will help to work away plaque and toxins and to help you remove them from your teeth and whiten the enamel. Coconut oil pulling. One of the benefits of using a coconut oil pulling routine is the whitening effect it offers. This does take time and is not as quick or evident as using baking soda, but it also does not have an abrasive behavior either. When you use an oil pulling method, you are breaking down the toxins and bacteria that can build up on teeth and cause staining. This means that you are, in effect, whitening your teeth through the process. You then brush away the remaining oil residue and rinse away anything else. This cleans, removes toxins, and leaves you with whiter teeth over time without causing sensitivity or breakdown of the enamel. Charcoal toothpaste. Charcoal is not something you may normally think of when you think of tooth whitening. The truth is, it can help greatly. The charcoal powder can be used directly on your toothbrush and applied to your teeth. Simply brush as normal and rinse. It will break up toxins, bacteria, and stain-causing agents and remove them from your teeth. You will need to do a long rinse after this to remove all the charcoal powder from your mouth and teeth. Also, keep in mind, this will stain clothing as well as your brush, so do be careful when using it. Keep in mind that you need to focus not only on whitening your teeth, but keeping an eye on your teeth as well. Make sure you are taking notice if you start to feel a sensitivity to cold or warm foods, if you notice inflammation of the gums, or if you notice other issues. Stop your routine and seek a dental professional if any of these issues occur.